I just went to the gym. What does that mean? It's time to check the Pokemon vending machine. Wish me luck. Hi. Piper told me to tell you hi too. But, very exciting, I scored on a White Flare booster bundle at the vending machine. Let's see what's inside this bad boy, eh? 6 White Flare packs coming at ya. And away we go. Pokeball! Shelmet Pokeball. I like Pokeball. Alright, Keldeo EX. It's a duplicate, but that's okay. So shiny, so pretty. I love. That'll do it. Oh, look, so cute. Dino. Oh, I love Dino. Dino. That's pack magic. Another Pokeball. Purloin Pokeball. Hello Energy. What does that mean for us? Nothing. I really like that dino. I think it's a very successful day. I'm happy. You happy? Better be. Thanks for opening packs with me. Bye.